Now I will show you glimpse of my school. This is KG students play. Let's come. Class 4th Carnation. Let's come. I study here full day during class time, and our all teachers inspiring the students all time. Let's come with me. This is our library. Here we learn many books, and it is called River of Knowledge. This is our computer. Here we learn computers. All sports activities like cricket, football, kho-kho, football and cricket. Let's come inside. Here we play cricket. I love my school very much. Please share, subscribe and like for more children's motivation. Thank you.